everyone, a couple of weeks ago I posted a video introducing you to Bimmercode and a very easy way to code your BMW. Bimmercode has its competitors, and one of its competitors is Carly. Carly actually reached out to me and asked me if I would be willing to do a video review of their product in exchange for a free sample. So I did. So in the spirit of all honesty, they sent me a free Wi-Fi unit, as well as they gave me a code to download their app for free. If you don't have the code, the app is about $60 if I'm not mistaken, and it's a 12-month subscription. I confirmed with Carly that it does not auto-renew. I have it in writing. Today we're gonna take Carly for a test drive, do a couple of coding scenarios, and I'll just give you my honest feedback on how I feel it compares not only to Bimmercode, but also how I really feel about the interface and the ease of use. The difference between this and Bimmercode, first and foremost, this is a Wi-Fi adapter, whereas my Bimmercode is a Bluetooth adapter. I don't know if it makes a difference, but we'll see. So first thing we do is we connect it to the ODB. Put the ignition on. It's important to note that I'm charging the car's battery. I don't want the battery to die, so the car's battery is plugged in. So now we go to the app, and at the bottom of the app there's an option for me to hit connect. So let's see, connect. I have a 3 series F30 M3 F80 BAM. M3 F80, this is a gasoline car, 2017. Connect. Connecting, please wait. Connect with the following steps. Unplug the OBD dongle, quit the app completely. Reconnect dongle and fully restart the app. And long method, unplug the OBD dongle, turn off engine, lock the car. No freaking way, we're gonna do the quick method. Unplug the OBD dongle, quit the app completely. Quit the app completely. Reconnect it. Okay. And then put the app back in. Okay, hit connect. Connecting, please wait. Try again. Connect. Okay. Okay, let's see. Doesn't seem to work. Try again, let's see. Let's see if we have to go to the Wi-Fi settings. BMW, no, Carly adapter. Join. Okay. So Carly adapter, maybe that has something to do with it. We're gonna restart the app completely. Go to Carly, hit connect. You gotta be kidding me, it's not connecting again. So let's turn it off. Let's unplug it again. Okay, let's plug it back in. And the Wi-Fi, join the Carly adapter. Okay, so we're joining the Carly adapter network on Wi-Fi. It says it is connected, so we are good there. Then we go to Carly, it's fully restarted. Connect. It's still not connecting. I'm not gonna edit this out because this is my real time experience. With Bimmercode, you did not have that many issues. So successfully connect the final step. Quick method. If I can do the quick method, why is it not allowing me to do the quick method then? Unplug the OBD dongle, quit the app. Let's see. Come on, Carly adapter. Join. Okay, the lights are on. Let's see, turn the ignition off. We're gonna turn the ignition on again. Let's see, Carly adapter, join Carly adapter. We're gonna restart it. No, we're gonna do this. Connect it. Connect. Carly is running. Yeah, please wait. Connection to adapter, okay. Connection to car is being set up. Connection was successfully established. Please go back to cockpit and choose a function. Okay, go. First function we're going to do is we're going to put the phone in airplane mode, because if you're coding and someone calls you and that disconnects the connection, you might have some issues. Now, this troubles me a little bit because when you're on Wi-Fi, you can still receive Wi-Fi phone calls. And if you're coding and this adapter is connected through Wi-Fi, does it mean that that connection could be interrupted, and while you're coding you might have an issue? So that's one drawback of having a Wi-Fi connector as opposed to Bluetooth. So let's see, Wi-Fi, oops, it disconnected me again. Again, Carly adapter, perfect. Okay, let's connect one more time, Carly. So annoying. Okay, connect. And it's not connecting again. I really might just give up. Let's see, let's do it this way. We're gonna close out the app completely. Carly adapter, then put the ignition on, put Carly on, hit connect. This is absolutely insane. Let's see, Wi-Fi. And my, all right. This is annoying. Carly adapter, disconnect and join Carly. Yes, this is frustrating, guys. Restart the app. I'm connected to Carly adapter. Carly. If this doesn't work now, I don't know what happens. All right, Carly's running, please wait. No connection established. I'm sorry, but I've tried so many times that I am just not willing to go any further. And just for a comparison, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take Carly out, put my V-Pack from Bimmercode, and let's see, go to my car related, Bimmercode, connect, BMW 3 Series, yes, connect, connecting, checking reading VIN, identifying ECUs. We're gonna fast forward this. And just like that, with Bimmercode, we are connected and we can start coding. This was nice and easy. I really wasn't expecting this video to turn out this way, but I was really unable to successfully connect Carly to my car's OBD and connect through the app. I don't know if it's because of the fact that I have wireless CarPlay in my car or for whatever reason, but you saw me try it a bunch of times and it did not work. And as you can see from Bimmercode, it is possible to create a simple solution to coding your BMW, and in this case Bimmercode wins by a landslide. It's too bad because I looked at Carly's interface and it does look pretty easy and straightforward. Folks at Carly, if you're watching this, if you develop a Bluetooth solution, that might be a better option. So let me know what you think down in the comments below. Give me thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.